Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by working as an administrator and creating a restore point so changes can be undone. Once done, open Device Manager and find the virtual adapter by name. You need that exact identifier. Next, disable the adapter rather than uninstalling immediately. This prevents transient driver conflicts. Make sure to note the driver version and vendor from Properties so you can reinstall the correct package. This step stops network services cleanly and prepares the system for targeted driver actions. Now you uninstall the adapter driver, choosing the option to remove driver software. This clears corrupted files. If Windows blocks removal, reboot into safe mode and repeat the uninstall to avoid active file locks. Once removed, reboot normally and install the vendor-supplied driver or the official installer, never a random third-party package. During installation, pick custom options and avoid bundled network utilities. After install, restart so the network stack reinitializes. This restores correct bindings and resolves most adapter faults. Finally, verify the adapter is enabled and visible in network connections. Then run ipconfig/renew and simple pings to confirm traffic. If connectivity fails, reset the TCP/IP stack with netch-int IP reset and netch-winsock reset, then reboot. This clears protocol corruption. Make sure DHCP/static settings match prior configuration. Reapply manual IPs if used. If issues persist, roll back to the prior driver or restore the system point you created earlier. That most often recovers from deeper configuration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.